Welcome back, everybody. I'm Crystal Real Nesta, and we thank you for visiting us on our Thomas channel, where we do reviews and box opening. Make some comments down below. Tell us what you like, what you don't like, and what y'all think we should review. As always, we're going to have a link for these products down in the comments. Click on them links and support us. What's up, everybody? I'm back. I'm Crystal Real Nesta, just in case y'all didn't know. But I'm sure y'all know where y'all started this. Real Nesta and Real Nesta. So ladies and gentlemen, you're on our Thomas Reviews channel, and today I am unboxing our outdoor solar water can lights. It's also supposed to be waterproof. And in this box is the light, which is 11 inches, which is a little less than a ruler. So I actually brought the ruler in here so y'all can see. Now it says 11 inches. We're going to measure that again because y'all can see this is a 12-inch ruler. And it looks like the box is 7.5. So we're going to see if it's laying sideways. In this box comes the light. The solar panel is supposed to be on the light. And then this hook, which they broke down. So we're going to go through setting all of this up. And we're going to see if it lives up to what it says. I've been excited about this for a long time. So in the box, I think I might have to pull the pieces out. So as you see, the pole that it stands on is kind of, this is the part that goes in the ground. So that's one. This is actually the feet. This is the top hook of it. It's packed in here a little snug. Here's some handle. This is what fell out of here. Here is a little hooky thing. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the main event. So it is, oh, okay. This is the lights. This is how it came packaged. That's the top solar panel. Okay, it's not a top, like a pop-up top. It's a kind of take-off top. Can you see that? Good. Okay, and down in there is the spout to this. I'm glad I chose to do this in the house. I was going to do this outside, but changed my mind here. So, this needs to fasten some kind of way. All right. This is how it looks. Give me 1 second, because there's a little lip here. Y'all can see that. And then see in here, we're going to hook these together. Oh, y'all see this? So there's a little hook in here. If y'all can see that. Yeah, there you go. There's a little hook. And they want you to hook that on here. And at first, your maintenance woman had that upside down. The hubby told me how to fix it. So we pull these through. We're going to hook this down in here. Mm-hmm. So now we have a water spout, ladies and gentlemen. It's not that difficult. And this is the top. I'm going to actually push it down on there now that I know I don't need it anymore. So we got halfway of our tea kettle here. Now this is the other side of our tea kettle. And the same thing. It's a lip here. And it's a little hook. Okay. And then we got a little lip here. And this is going to go down in there. So that's what we're going to do. Put that down. Pull this up. It's not, hold on. I got it latching. Okay, there it is. It just snapped. So, see our little tea kettle here with our little solar lights here. And now, ladies and gentlemen, that is the little hanger. So, it's actually a teeny little hole. Hope y'all can see that right there by my finger. So we gotta hang these in here. One on this side and one on this side. All right, so we got a easy little tea kettle. Now, one of my pet peeves is when they don't tell the truth about the size, right? This was supposed to be 11. Oh, that's how they got you. It's 11 inches wide, right? From spout to handle, 11 inches. But it's not 11 inches tall. Oh, they disrespectful. They counting this to make it 11 inches tall. So don't get disappointed, ladies and gentlemen. It's not as large as you want to believe as the measurements. They're counting every little piece of this to make it larger. Anyway, so we did that. Now, on the top is a push on and off button. So I'm assuming it needs to charge, right? But so I'll take this out in the yard for you guys to see me do that part. Ladies and gentlemen, so we came out into the yard. At some point, this is going to turn into an oasis. As y'all see, it's bland for now, but it's all good. So I'm bringing this out here so that we can set it up so it can get charged. As y'all see, we lost our sunlight, so I didn't move fast enough. But we're still going to put it out. So all you got to do is simply push it down and see to the soft ground. It went right in. And then you want to hang it. Now it also got a little thing here. I guess if you want to press it up against something. See that little hook? But anyway, we are going to do it like this so that it could get charged from the sun. And then later we'll come back and place it in the garden where it's supposed to be. And yeah, hopefully it gets some sunlight. Hopefully I can finish this video today because it looks like it's about to rain. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I came back out to show y'all the finished results of the light watering can. This is actually not the hook that came with it. I had to change it out for a bigger hook I had here in order to get the real water effect. I am Crystal Real Nesta, and behind that camera is the wonderful James Real Nesta, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.